In this video, I will show you how to create a transparent gradient mask with Illustrator. We start in an Illustrator document, and as you can see, I already have the image inserted. The first thing we need to do is go to the left toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Next, we create a rectangle that matches the exact size of the image, because we need to apply the gradient to the rectangle first, and then transfer the gradient to the image. This is the only way it works. After that, with the rectangle selected, we go to the top window menu and click on Gradient to open that panel. Then we choose the type of gradient that will affect the image. In my case, I use a linear gradient, and with the lower gradient slider, we adjust the fade, keeping in mind that the black area will create the fading effect, while the white area will remain unaffected. Now we press Ctrl A to select everything and return to the window menu. At the bottom, we click on the arrow until the transparency option appears. Enter this panel, click on Make Mask, and that's it.